Hey guys, what is going on? Zach from Car Central here. So basically right now this is going to be a video. So I have a 2009 Infiniti G37x. It's my daily driver right now, as you can tell. Has 119,000 miles on. Got a pretty good deal on it. Overall, really like the car besides the really crappy in-town gas mileage. But another video for that will be coming later, the 5 things I love and hate about this car. But right now we're going over to my buddy Charlie's. You guys will see him in plenty of the future episodes, but we're going to be taking my muffler off and seeing how this thing sounds. So we will see you guys whenever we get to Charlie's. Hard at work right now. Not really that hard though, huh? You said no. This is easy?
Should be easy.
Should be easy? I mean, it's pretty rusty under there. 120,000 miles in Pennsylvania. That's not the best. All right, Charlie. So how are we doing here with getting the shit off? Oh,
2 bolts broken so far, and 1 bolt missing.
Nice. So one was already missing, one was already gone on this side, and then the 2 over here has decided to head out too. Well, we're getting closer, aren't we?
A little bit.
A little bit. Slowly but surely.
Have to kick it off, maybe.
Oh yeah. Might have to get a big ass hammer real quick. But we shall see. All right, a little bit of an update for you guys. So, it is so rusted back here that over time the heat has just combined the metal. So we're now just going to try to delete it from the cat, and then whenever we go into work tomorrow, we'll get it up on a lift and get it figured out. But right now we're just getting it jack up so we can do it, delete the pipes all the way back from the cat. So now it'll be even louder. All right, so we're back. A little bit different scenery. What happened last night, Charlie? You want to explain what happened last night?
Fuck this car last night.
Yeah,
we had to bring it to the shop.
Yeah, we had to bring it to the shop because so much rust, so old, good old Pennsylvania. None of that was coming off, so we're gonna have to use some high-grade tools here at the shop, at work, and see what we can do. So hopefully we can get it out.
Oh, I was pretty this side.
All right, let's go, Chuck. So this is where we're at right now. We're back at Charlie's house. We're about to custom fab a straight pipe system. Obviously, I still have the stock resonators, but we'll delete those later in the cats. But for right now, we're just going to make it so all the heat and all the sound goes out the back and not upwards and all over the place, basically, because these things are hanging pretty low and they're not connected to anything. So, yup. All right, guys, we in the garage, the temporary garage before we upgrade.
All bumpers from old cars.
Yup. This is Brendan. You guys ain't seen him yet. He the detailer. He do a lot. He also a welder. So we'll see.
Not certified though.
Not certified, but one day.
One day.
What are you doing right now?
I don't know.
Huh?
It's hard to see. Hell yes.
Charlie, how are you doing? Just
Actually welded this fucking pipe. You can see the best weld right
we already got another pipe already done over here. What's next step?
to the car.
Oh, all right, we're going to the car. You ready for that, Charles?
Sort of.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
This is so hard.
Ah, fuck. Dude, this is not fucking OSHA approved.
I mean, you're not certified, so.